Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious churro pumpkin cheesecake. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 crescent rolls, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 16 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so once we get that going on, we're going to mix our half a cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So just mix it. Okay, so once we have that, we're just going to set it to the side until it's time to use it. Alright guys, so now we're going to grab our baking dish. This one is 9 by 13, and we're just going to spray it with some butter. So just spray all around. Okay, and now we're going to sprinkle it with half of our cinnamon sugar mixture. So just sprinkle it. Alright, so now we're going to grab our crescent dough, and we're just going to place it on top of our cinnamon sugar. And mine broke in half, so just put it on. Just like that. Alright, so just adjust it to your baking dish, and once we have it set, now we're just going to set it to the side and work on our cheesecake. Alright, so now we're just going to add our cream cheese to a large bowl, and just make sure that it is at room temperature. And to that we're going to add our condensed milk. Make sure you get everything. Okay, so now we're just going to beat it. So combine them together until they're nice and smooth. Alright, so once our cream cheese is mixed, now we're going to add our pumpkin puree. Along with the sour cream. A pinch of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Our vanilla extract. Flour. And we're going to add 1 egg at a time. So we're just going to beat it and throw 1 egg at a time. So now we're just going to beat until everything is nice and combined. Alright, so once we have our pumpkin cheesecake mixture, now we are ready to pour it on top of our dough. Alright, so grab your baking dish and pour the mixture on top. Now we're just going to add the other dough. Alright, so we're just going to get the dough out of the roll. Okay, so unroll it. Now we're just going to put it on top of the cheesecake. So just like that. And just kind of feed it to your baking dish. Okay, so once we have it set, we're just going to spray more of the butter cooking spray, and then we're going to sprinkle it with the remaining cinnamon sugar. Alright, so now we're going to bake for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so we're just going to wait. Alrighty guys, so after 15 minutes, our cheesecake should be fully cooked. So now we're just going to remove it from the oven. So we're just going to allow it to cool down completely before we stick it in our refrigerator. Alright guys, so once our cheesecake cools down completely, we're going to stick it in our refrigerator and let it cool down overnight or for at least 3 hours. Alright guys, so after 4 hours, our cheesecake is now ready. So you can cut it in however you want, but just make sure that you get the sides. Just scrape the sides just like that. Okay, and now we are ready for the fun part. So I'm just going to cut it in half, and then half again, and then cut it the other side in half. Okay, and now we're ready to grab our slice. And just like that. Grab it in a plate. And now we are ready for the fun part. Okay, and I like to serve it with some caramel. So just drizzle it. Add some chopped pecans. And of course you can just serve it like that by itself. And then just top it with some whipped cream. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious churro pumpkin cheesecake. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that if you like churro, if you like cheesecake and pumpkin, you're going to definitely love this delicious dessert. It's perfect for the upcoming holidays. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. And it is not too sweet where, you know, you need to take, and it's not too sweet where you have to drink water, you know, it's just perfect. And of course, but if you want it more sweet, you can add more condensed milk or add sugar. But for me, this is seriously the perfect dessert. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious churro pumpkin cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.